Hi, I'm Sandy Wissinger, and today I'm going to talk to you about a new painting that I did. It's unnamed. It was something that came about when I couldn't sleep. I was having anxious thoughts at like 4 a.m., just like memories and stuff. So to heal myself, it felt like I had to paint. I didn't know what else to do. So I created this painting. I started out in the bottom. At first I pictured a bouquet of flowers, and then ended up with this. So it looks like a storm. There was an emotional storm going on beneath, and then it basically built who I am. So it kind of created like this brick wall of strength. And then this ended up becoming a wound. I used a palette knife, and I love layering colors on really, really thick. And if you've noticed a trend in my paintings, I usually put a little bug at the end. The little bug with some colors that just go with each other. They don't necessarily go with the painting itself, but it creates an interesting color scheme. So yeah, I don't know what to name it yet, but to me it's like a Mother Gaia pregnant world storm, but also has some man-made things like a brick wall in them. And that was just how I was feeling at the time, and I just went to town. I just did it, I just let everything onto the canvas. And this is a wooden canvas. It's like a wooden thing. So I'm excited to varnish this one because it is completely finished. So yeah, thank you for watching. Welcome to my studio. I will be showing you more of my work as it's becoming more frequent lately. This is 100 Mondaze Weekly Show, show 48. Have a good rest of your night. Bye-bye. See you next week.